Welcome. If you want to make your Snapchat chat stand out with a shared wallpaper, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to change a shared wallpaper with a friend on Snapchat, so both of you can enjoy a fresh new look every time you chat. First, grab your phone and open the Snapchat app. At the top left corner of your screen, you'll see your Bitmoji or profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to your profile page, where you can access all your friends and settings. Next, tap on My Friends. Here, you'll see a list of everyone you've added on Snapchat. Scroll through and find the friend you want to share a new wallpaper with. Once you've found them, press and hold down on their name until a menu pops up. From this menu, tap on their profile. Now, look for the wallpaper option. This is where the magic happens. If you don't see the wallpaper option, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. And remember that this feature is available to Snapchat Plus subscribers. If you or your friend has Snapchat Plus, you can both enjoy this customization. Tap on Wallpaper. You'll be given a few choices. You can pick from Snapchat's preset wallpapers, or you can tap Camera Roll to select a photo from your own gallery. Choose the image that best fits your vibe, and you'll see a preview of how it'll look in your chat. Once you're happy with your selection, tap Confirm. That's it. The new wallpaper will instantly appear in your chat with your friend, and both of you will see the change every time you open your conversation. Personalizing your Snapchat chats with a shared wallpaper is a great way to express your friendship and keep things fun. Try different photos until you find the perfect one, and enjoy chatting against a background that's uniquely yours.